We've seen some really impressive tests out there with the Crescent NailSlicer framing blade. They're cutting all kinds of crazy stuff, but nothing quite like what we're about to do. So we got our hands on some of these blades ourselves. We've got some high quality mutt metal number 5 rebar and a little test track here, and let's see if we can't stop this blade in its tracks. We definitely lost some teeth in there, but I don't know of any framing blade that can cut through 5 pieces of number 5 rebar and still have the guts to make the rest of the cut. That's pretty impressive. I've got one more idea. All right, I've swapped out, I've got a fresh blade on here, and I have some 3/16 inch sheet steel. It's a little over 12 inches long. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen here, but the legal department wants me to remind you, do not try this at home or on the job. These types of circular saws are not designed for cutting metal. And frankly, Crescent made a framing blade, not a metal cutting blade. So we're taking this way out of context for what it's designed to do. We just want to see if it's tough enough to do it. But here's the thing. We have heavily controlled environment right here. We've taken some extra safety precautions to make sure that nothing happens to us. Please don't do this. Let's see what happens. I don't think I felt the tooth go until the very end. Let's take a look at that blade. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 3 teeth gone on 3/16 inch. I wonder if I can do it again. Dude, that's a tough friggin' blade. Cutting in mild steel, 3/16. Holy cow. Check it out at your local Lowe's. That's where to find these.